If breakouts or congested skin are something you deal with regularly, then this is for you. This is the Purity Mud Bar, and one of the products I am the most proud of. It is formulated with Dead Sea mud, Dead Sea salt, and witch hazel extracts. 3 ingredients that work together to draw out excess oil and impurities, keeping pores clear and leaving your skin feeling genuinely balanced, not stripped, not tight. It is fragrance-free, vegan, and suitable for daily use, morning and evening, both on your face and on your body. So if you have acne-prone, oily, sensitive, or reactive skin, this was made with you in mind. Here is how to get the most out of it. Start with lukewarm water. The water shouldn't be too hot, as it can irritate sensitive skin and strip your barrier, which is the last thing we want. Lather the bar between your hands first. You'll get a nice creamy lather, then apply it to your skin. Massage gently in circular motions. If you have areas that are particularly oily or prone to breakouts, spend a little extra time there. For me, it was always my chin and forehead. Rinse thoroughly with cool water. The cool water at the end helps to close the pores. Pat dry and follow with a moisturizer. Even oily skin needs hydration, and keeping your skin barrier supported is what stops the breakout cycle from starting again. We also have some tips for best results. A couple of things I always tell people. First, give it time. Dead Sea minerals work with consistency. Most customers notice a real shift after 2 to 3 uses, and the best results build over the first few weeks. Second, a little goes a long way. The formula is so concentrated, you don't need to use a lot, and your bar will last much longer than you'd expect. And if you travel, the Purity Mud Bar comes with an optional travel case. You can pack it in your suitcase, no leaks, no mess. It is the best thing about a bar cleanser. Clear skin is possible. I know this because I've been exactly where you are. And the Purity Mud Bar is one of the products that helped me get there. I genuinely believe it can do the same for you. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments or reach out directly. I read everything, and if you try it, I'd love to hear how it goes. Clear skin feels good, and we want you to have it too.